What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to Race Day, where we have got Toy Story 4 character cars, and they're racing down the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. We're gonna find out the fastest car today in our nice race tournament. Let's get started.
Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video.
Our first cars that are racing, here's our lineup. We've got Bo Peep, we've got Buzz Lightyear, we've got Duck and Bunny, and we have got Rex. Let's do a couple races to find out the fastest car. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it looks like it's Rex that takes the win in race number 1. Let's see if Rex can beat them again, or are we gonna get a different winner in race 2? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And Rex takes the win for our first set of races, eliminating all of those ones right there. We're gonna see Rex face off in the finals. Whoever wins out of these ones here, we have got Woody, we've got Forky, we've got Alien, and we've got Duke Kaboom. Let's find out. We'll do a couple races here. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's Alien that takes the win in race number 1. We're gonna find out in another race if Alien is actually the one to move on. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it is Alien that moves on and will now face off against Rex in our finals tournament. Let's see who takes these ones. On your mark, get set, go! Wow, that was a close race. Alien was given the light, but it looked like Rex was the one that crossed the finish line first. I don't know. We're gonna have to redo that race. Let's find out. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! It is Alien that takes that race, but let's switch them up again and let's run them one last time. If you guys like Toy Story 4 Hot Wheels cars, smash that thumbs up. Let's get to the race. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. Our winner from today is Alien. Congratulations, Alien, on taking the win on the Toy Story 4 Hot Wheels 6-lane racing. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite Toy Story 4 character cars. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.